Giraffe in captivity in the world. If you had to produce your vaccination history, could you? Many people don't still have their childhood records, nor could they track down a copy. But a pilot program at 2 First Nations communities is exploring digitally capturing those records. So if you move, a doctor could access your medical history anywhere in Canada. Kevin Fleming reports.
We listen to your tummy now too, okay?
At 4 months old, Quinby Manyhead's Bearspaw is due for a series of vaccinations.
Jillian, he's 8.75 kilos. You're perfect.
For years, the Stoney First Nations Health Centre has kept paper records for patients. But immunization records haven't always been accurate, and any time a member moves, the records are typically lost.
We're looking at a major disparity where First Nations kids have much lower rates of immunization. They have much higher rates of vaccine-preventable diseases and bad outcomes. And one of the biggest barriers is the way their records are managed.
That's what made Morley and Siksika perfect candidates for pilot projects. New patients like Quinby will have electronic records from now on. Information about what vaccinations he's getting are manually entered into the computer, but one of his vaccines has a 2D barcode. Once it's passed under the scanner, all the information is automatically recorded. Sanofi Pasteur is the first in its field to include the barcodes after a multi-million-dollar upgrade to its production line.
People would say, oh, well, you can do it in the grocery store, and why not on vaccines? And of course, the technical problem was big, but at the end of the day, once you have overcome that technical problem, it's so common sense that, yeah, we should be able to do this.
Community health nurses are already starting to see a positive impact of the new electronic record keeping.
One of the challenges was the fact that we didn't have records, or that we couldn't recall. So we were missing, and there was that gap. So with this technology, it improves it, and we have 98% coverage rates for immunizations.
The partners in this project say this leading-edge immunization record keeping will not only have a positive impact here, but potentially around the world. Kevin Fleming, CTV News, Morley.
This is actually the first time medical records will be shared between provinces and First Nations, and if it's a success, you could one day see this technology at your own doctor's office. Still to come at 6, on the verge of a ceasefire, the nearly week-long conflict between Israel